Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 116 of the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. Always a mouthful to say that. Before we get into the portfolio though, I just want to thank all the channel members that have joined the channel so far. Really appreciate it. And if you're wondering what the heck the channel membership will give you, I've started sharing all of my purchases on the channel members tab, as well as any buys or sells that I do, and also as the dividends roll into the TFSA, you'll get notified that as well over on the members community tab. And as well, videos do get posted a day ahead of time for members. So if you're a member and watching this, it's probably a day ahead as everybody else. But again, you won't miss out if you're not a member. You will just get, everything will be just kind of delayed by a day. And always, as always, you can join us on the live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock to about 8:45 Pacific time. Monday to Friday. It'd be great to have you join on. So without further ado, let's just get into how the portfolio is doing. All right, here we are in the TFSA using the app, and you can see a little bit of red for the month. We had a decent beginning of the year. March, February, not so great, but let's just get in. We'll show how we're doing all time. Let's go. And if we switch it over on the app to all time total value. So BAM, 2.376 shares, up 6.13%, $6.31. Pretty happy about that. BEP.UN, that's Brookfield Renewables. We have 21 shares, down 11.14%, $101.96 on the TFSA. BN, Brookfield Corp, 1.538 shares, fractional share on there, down 4.86%, $3, and we'll round that up, $3.52. BTCY, up to 200 shares of BTCY, and we are down 20.87%, $164.07 on the portfolio. CMC, we'll wipe over that one. This has been kind of hovering. We're down basically 94, 95%, have been for a while there. Hanging on to that one as a lesson, that is for sure. 150 shares though, we'll see what happens down the road with that one. But again, not too optimistic. Div, up now to 125 shares on the portfolio, up 7.05%. That was, it's $27. That was suggested by the coffee crew from the live stream, so very much appreciated still. Have actually been slowly adding to that position as well. ETC down 55.19%. That one really is hurting the portfolio. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, 114 shares, down $768.11. Green Lane Renewables down, this one again, down $704.39. That's 54.88% on the portfolio. Green Lane Renewables, you know, I'm still optimistic with this one. They do actually have earnings coming out tomorrow after the market closes. We'll see what's happening with that one. PSA, this is the Purpose High Interest Yield Savings ETF, just under one share of that one. It says down a little bit right now, all time, but of course the dividends coming from that, and the price does fluctuate monthly. If you own PSA, you kind of know what happens there. RNW, TransAlta Renewables. This one is one I'm kind of slowly wanting to build a position on as well, while the price is down because the dividends so far have been holding up. We're up to 60 shares, down 28.78%, $292.11. Slate Office REIT, 140 shares. We are down 13.1%, $90.32. Lots of red in the portfolio all time, unfortunately. TELUS down 2.27%, $16 and just over 9 cents. Just over 25 shares, 25.35% shares. Fractional share purchases happening with that one as well. Tesla doing okay. This is the CDR, 29 shares of the Tesla CDR, up 10.39%. Hasn't been doing too great the last few days, but again, I think I'm optimistic for the long term with Tesla. Obviously not financial advice by any means, but this is something I want to hold in my portfolio. I'm kind of at the position I want to hold Tesla with for now, but up 10.39%, $46.71. VDY, this is the one I've been adding to with my regular dollar cost averaging this year. I'm buying one share of VDY every week, up to 82.198 shares, which is awesome, and up 4.24%, $144.36 on VDY. VFV, that's the S&P Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, up 0.44% and up $16.33, just over almost 38 shares. This one as well. Every week when I do my regular purchase, I put some of the extra funds that is available into a fractional purchase of VFV to dollar cost average. And why Google? Why Goog? That's the yield, Purpose Yield Google ETF. Have 20 shares of this, down just 0.46%, $1.89 on the portfolio. Have 20 shares of that. This is something I also want to build my position with to get it to about 5% of my portfolio. So working on that slowly but surely. The dividends that come through that are quite nice, and I think there will be some appreciation in the value with the underlying Google shares. And yield Tesla, last but not least, 45 shares. If you've been watching the channel, you know know this was way up at one point, but dividends still coming through with this one. Still happy about that. It'll be a hold for sure. I did add some more to it, so obviously it's going to bring my all-time cost down because the price has gone up, obviously, but up to 45 shares, $125.01 in the green, 14.8%. I'm basically at my holdings of Tesla and Yield Tesla with what I have right now. So there we go. Let's scroll right to the top and we'll show how we did the past day. It is Wednesday when I'm filming this. Market is just closed. We're actually up today, 0.17%, which is nice. Nice to have kind of a green day in all this red that's been happening. Up $25.16. For the week though, we're going to see some red, down 2.16% on the week, $387.12. On the month, down 2%, just over 2%, 2.08% to be precise, $306.43 on the 3 month. Now we got some green, which is nice, up 4.45% the past 3 months, $615.05. And now we're going to see a bit more red, down past year 8.66%, $1,368.32. All time down 9.29%. So we can see we've dropped down a little bit from that last update, but still doing regular deposits. We'll keep growing the TFSA portfolio with the positions that I'm holding. Down though, $1,477.21 on the TFSA. All right, well, let me know. This is the time. Let me know if you've bought anything this week. It's always interesting to hear what people are buying, what they're selling. Leave me a comment down below. It's always appreciated, and I will get back to you. If you have any questions, let me know as well. Leave that in the comment of this video or any other video you're watching. Happy to try and help. On that note, thanks again for everybody that's watching. Thanks to the channel members. Thanks to everybody that has been tuning in on the live streams as well. Those are a lot of fun every morning. Gets me motivated for the day to jump on those live streams in the morning, get a cup of coffee, and gets the day started off right. So if you haven't joined one, encourage you, come on board, at least drop in possibly to say hi. Good group of people there, the coffee crew, as we like to tell them. That's all, everybody. Tomorrow is Thursday. Have a good rest of the day, and we'll see you in tomorrow's live stream.